This is the original MBRP exhaust that came with it. I have an old Flowmaster that I used for something else, but I'm going to repurpose so that to be used for this. So the Flowmaster is actually shorter. I think it's a 14 or 15 inch length. What I did is I did a quick weld. I TIG weld this 2.5 inch extender pipe, so it would be just about as long as the MBRP, and then we'll put it on and try it. The Super HP-2, you can see, is just a bunch of perforated stainless steel sheet that's wrapped around. We'll see how it sounds. Okay, the exhaust is in. It's mounted and clamped. That's the Flowmaster Super HP-2. I think we're ready. That's pretty low. That's pretty quiet. Really, really quiet now. Miles per hour.